Namaste children. I can see so many of you solving the sums correctly. So I believe you have learned the proper usage of these 7 formulas. Now we are going to continue the exercise 2.1 sums. Okay. Now look at the 7th question. A circle of radius 120 meter is divided into 8 equal sectors. Okay. It is divided into 8 equal sectors. That means this value is called n. Clear? Then they are asking you to find the length of the arc of each of the sector. So there is a circle. I have not divided it exactly into 8 parts, 8 equal parts. So you divide it into 8 equal parts. And then which formula shall we use to find the length of the sector? We know the value of n. So which formula are we going to choose? We are going to choose 1 by n into 2 pi r. Right? Shall we solve? And we also know the value of the radius. Shall we solve, children? Now, L is equal to 1 by n into 2 pi r. So, we are going to substitute the value of n. N is equal to 8. And then 2 into pi value is given as 22 by 7. And then r value, radius is 120. Okay, then you can start to simplify and L value is derived. This is the value of L. Okay. Now, shall we move on to the next question? Find the area of a sector whose length of the arc is 50 millimeter and radius is 14 millimeter. The length of the arc is given and then radius is given. So, you need to find out the area. Which formula does involve length and radius? We know that L r by 2. Okay, so can you directly use this formula and find out the area of the sector? Yes, length will be 50 and then 50 into 14 divided by 2 will give you the area of a sector. Clear, children? Good. Now, shall we move on to the next one? Now, the 11th one. Read this. In front of a house, flower plants are grown in a circular quadrant shaped pot whose radius is 2 feet. Find the area of the pot in which the plants grow. Now look at this picture given. There are flower plants in front of a house and it is in the shape of a quadrant. Quadrant means what is the value? 90 degrees. Okay. And then what are they asking you now? The radius is given as 2 feet and area of the pot in which the plant grows. That is what we are going to find out. So we need to find out the area. So directly to find out the area, shall we use the theta formula? Yes, since it is a quadrant, we can use 90 degree by 360. Yes, is it possible? Okay. Now, let me see which formula I have used here. First, r is equal to 2 feet and then a value I have to find out and then we know the area of the area of the pot formula. So, we have written the area formula and then substitute the values 90 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 2 into 2. Okay, so what the area you have derived the formula, the answer. Is it clear, children? Now, the next sum. Damu fixes a square tile of 30 centimeter on the floor. The tile has a sector design on it as shown in the figure. Find the area of the sector. The question is, Damu is fixing tiles on his floor. That is, each tile is 30 centimeter. Square tile they have told you. So, it means, what is the meaning of that? He is fixing some square tiles, okay? This type of tiles he is fixing on his floor and each one has 30 centimeter, okay? And then the tile has a sector design. Now, this is the hint given. It has a sector design. That means, sector means, we know it is a cake form, okay? So, he is going to do like this. This is a sector, okay, children? So, the tiles are placed like this. In a circular fashion, he is keeping the tiles. So, we are asked to find out the area of the sector. So since it is in the form of a quadrant, can we assume the theta value as 90 degree? Yes. Okay. So can you directly solve using the area formula? Theta by 360 into pi r square. Clear? See here. The same thing. If you are substituting theta by 360, so what will come? 90 by 360 will be there, and all the remaining terms will be the same. If you cancel this 90 by 360 also, the same 1 by 4 will be coming. Okay. So is it clear, children? Either you can use the theta's value and solve, or you can also use the number of parts divided, that is the value of n. Okay. Clear? Shall we move on to the next one? The last sum of this exercise. A circle is formed with 8 equal granite stones. Okay, it is formed with 8 equal granite stones as shown in the figure. Each of radius 56 centimeter. Radius is given and central angle is also given. Find the area of each granite. First you take what are all the things given in the question. So n value is 8, r is 56 and theta value is 45. To find the area, which formula we will use? Theta by 360 into pi r square. What is the value of theta? So 45. So can you directly, all the values will be given directly, children, almost. For all the sums, the values are directly given. You have to just think of the right formula, substitute it, simplify and derive the final answer. Clear? Is it? It is not confusing at all. If you just think and do, it is very, very easy. Clear? So up to this exercise 2.1 is over. From the next session, we will start a new topic. Okay, children? Thank you.